morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning. Take a seat.
Thank you, Miss.
So, how are you today?
I'm good.
I'm great.
Do you take a breakfast?
Yes.
Oh, good. Today we're gonna study and learn about something new that you never studied before. Maybe some of you very advanced, but some of you I know you are just a beginner. So today, before we start our lesson, we're playing some games. Can you?
Yes.
So today we're gonna play a mini game called bingo. Okay?
Bingo.
Here have 5 times 5 boxes. That means you need to write 1 to 25 number. 1 to 25.
Alright.
Randomly in the boxes. And if you have one straight line, you say bingo. If you have shout 5 times bingo, you win. Let me know if you win. Alright? And every of you will shout a number and you will cross the number.
Alright.
Are you understand?
Yes.
Alright, it's a quick game to boost your focus. I know you are very tired now.
Yes.
How do you know?
We're gonna play this to boost your focus.
Alright.
Ready?
Yes.
Can start by you.
1, 2,
3. 18.
20.
21. 7.
4.
25. Okay, 5.
Bingo.
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 What?
10. 22.
9. Bingo.
Bingo.
12.
Bingo.
Why you not get bingo?
13. Bingo. 11.
Bingo. Huh?
Bingo.
Wait.
I got 5 cross.
You won.
Bingo.
Yes, I won.
Congrats, Azhar.
Only one.
After the class, you can claim me to rewatch. Alright? Alright, the news, it's okay. Never give up on this game.
I win already.
It's okay. Alright. Listen, class.
Alright.
Listen, class. Today we're gonna learn something new, which is integration of function. Our subtopic is determine the integral of exponential function. Alright, what is exponential?
E.
E.
It's an E. So, take out your calculator. And you can find out that your calculator have an E on 10 to the power of 10 to the power of x.
What?
Alpha, press alpha, and 10 to the power of x.
Maybe you can show us there.
Right.
Yes.
So here is your calculator, right?
Yes.
Alpha, right? And press this one.
Oh.
It's an E. Correct. E has a value. What is it?
2.718.
2 and so on. So E is a constant. It's a constant to us to count. Alright? So maybe in the future you will study engineering maybe, or study mathematics, calculus or something. You will learn more about this. Alright? So it is important for you to understand about E. Next, we will learn about determine the integral of natural logarithmic function. Alright? So first, integral of exponential function. Alright. Here when we integrate EX, this means integrate, right? The small worms over left hand side is a
Integral.
integrate EX is equals to?
Yes.
You found out they have some problems on these equations.
Plus C.
Plus
Yes,
C.
it's plus C. So, we know that plus C is really, sorry, it's quite blur, but plus C is really important. It's the same as the outside, this equation is the same, but it's more plus C. Plus C is a constant, right? So, plus C is very, very important. Jot down this. This is very important when you are sitting your final exam. Done?
Done.
Okay, I never give something really easy for you guys. It's alright?
Yes.
We will do some exercises before I teaching you what actually solution is. So, here, have a questions? You can try to solve before I teach you. Here is the questions. Try to do it. Very easy, right?
Yes.
Nothing gonna be very difficult on you. How to do that? How to do that? Alright. Let me see who answer is correct. Majority correct, but some of you still don't get the idea. So the question is EX plus E minus X. As we all know, we can separate it out. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
As I said before, in the formula EX, if we integrate EX, we're gonna get
EX.
Alright? And now how about this negative in front of EX?
Bring -1.
Here. How we get this negative? We actually differentiate negative x to be -1. So the final answer will be you get it, class?
Yes.
So if you're wrong, you do correction, right?
Alright.
It is learning. Second, alright, we're done with it. Now, still integral of exponential function. We learned this, what actually we did just now. When e to the power of ax, we integrate it. We're gonna differentiate this one, become 1 over with what we differentiate. We copy back m plus c. Just simple. One more time. We integrate e to the power of ax. We're gonna be differentiate ax and 1 over it. Alright? Become and copy it back plus c. That's simple. Right? Jot it down. It's very important. Okay? Okay, never be that simple, right? Never. So, today, one more exercises. Number 2. Let's try. I remind you, your notes that you jot down will be collected. Alright? So better be pay attention on it. Alright? Your notes will be collected.
Why you want to collect one?
Because I want to know what level that you understand on me.
Alright.
Alright?
But my note so messy.
It's okay as long as you have notes. Right? It's still the beginning. So if I tell you, it's quite okay, right? So these questions, I did it. I did it for you, but I don't want answer by me. I did someone that wrong. No, the correct one. Right in front. Okay? Done.
Yes.
Done.
I guess I want to answer the question.
I know, you get the correct answer. Come on.
Yes. I know my answer is correct. Can I write it in front of the whiteboard?
It's okay, you already write it here, we just simply
Show them.
show that, alright?
But my note is quite messy.
It's okay, I think that your notes is quite good, alright?
Messy. This is messy.
That is so messy. He said that messy. It's okay, maybe.
It's not messy, I don't know.
Alright, this is the answer. Are you guys correct on it?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Just simply copy and over the we differentiate it and over the differentiate things. And plus
C.
Alright? So, one more questions?
Miss, I want to ask one question. If I do an exercise or some question
Alright.
and I forgot to put a C, is
Alright.
it my answer accept or not?
Plus C actually is a constant. If you studied before, I mean during Form 4 or Form 5, C actually have a value. If you studied before, yes, C has a value. Is a constant. So if you don't have plus C, that means that don't have the constant, means wrong. Alright? So plus C is very important, class. One more time, plus C is very important. If you don't have plus C, you have get the answer is
Wrong.
alright. One more question. Okay, one more question.
Okay.
Make it right, alright?
Alright.
Alright.
One more question. Simple.
Are you sure?
I'm sure it is simple. Quite messy, right? Messy than him. It's okay. It's okay. You understand, right?
Yeah.
Integrate 1 over e plus e to the power of 2x dx. No, it's exact the same like this. So how to manage it?
X.
Log.
Not E. No. N.
Log e equals to what?
E negative 2.
I think Emran know.
Not equal to 1.
You don't know.
I don't know.
It's actually, I told you before, e is a value, you know.
Yeah.
So since it's a value, it can bring it up as a constant. If we separate it up, we bring it out as a constant. Here is equals to 1.
E to 1.
Wrong.
Can you understand it?
No.
Here, it's a constant because this is has the value, right?
Yeah.
Has the value. So
Like that also can.
yes. Wow. Okay.
That is also for this.
So it's actually an idea that 1 over e is a number. It's 2 point something that you said just now. So it can be constant actually. Ooh, blow your mind, bam.
I thought it's gonna be long.
Yeah.
You thought it was gonna be long e, but they don't have x.
Oh yeah.
They don't have x. How to be integrate? Your integration need to improve first, basics.
Wow, this one.
If we change E into the power of negative 1,
It's actually the same if you press your calculator, but it's actually don't mess it up because this is gonna be x, right? Yeah. Alright, take time on doing it. I know it's actually quite difficult. I never gave you all the easy one. If I give you the easy one, you never learn something, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And don't forget to do my exercises. Alright?
Alright, please. Alright.
Done.
I'm
Done.
done.
This time I don't want Kai's answer. I want from the back. Emran, I love Emran. Come on.
Just, I need to.
It's okay. No need.
Wow.
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 This one.
More wonderful.
Oh.
That is very good.
Are you understand about it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just simply take out 1 over e and it's equal 1. So when you differentiate, 1 is equal to x. And this one I actually told you before is e to x and differentiate it and plus x. This is the answer. And don't forget plus.
Alright.
Alright, you're done?
Alright. Done.
Do corrections?
Because my answer is also correct.
Alright, very good. So now, we're gonna, I'm sorry. We're gonna learn about integral of natural logarithmic function. Okay, what we learn is simply how to integrate 1 over x. Alright? When we integrate, this one the x we can simply put in here. But if you need to do it, it's not a problem. It's the same. 1 over x, integrate 1 over x dx is the same as like this, alright? So when you integrate 1 over x dx is get
Log X.
Non X.
ln
X.
modulus x plus c. Simple?
Yes.
Jadi dah.
Miss,
Yes?
I have another question. Is it the modulus is important?
Yes, modulus is important when you have a value. If you have a value, later I will teach you. When the integral here have a value, it is important. Because when it is negative value inside here, it's naturally it will become positive.
If there is nothing with no value,
It's no
not
value.
important.
It's no value means it's maybe max error. But simply if negative inside that, it become positive. If positive inside that, it become positive. Yes, that actually. Right. So jadi down already.
Done.
So now, never be that simple. As I said. One number.
I can't see.
You can't see.
One number.
Alright.
Three.
Three, right?
My future is good, right?
Do it.
Three.
This one easy. Simple. Very simple. Easy, right?
Oh,
Yes.
oh, yes.
So, done?
Done.
What is the answer?
Ln modulus x plus 3 plus
Modulus
c.
plus C.
Right, correct. One more?
Log.
I mean, one. It's not one more time. I mean, one more questions, right?
Oh, sorry.
All right, one more questions. One number.
Eight.
All right. 5. You have chance, right? Later then. Wait. Easy one. Easy. It's okay, it's okay. I mean, if you don't know to do this, just ask me. Simply ask me and I will guide you. Alright? If you go back and you don't know how to do it, you do something, you know. Because you will learn it in future.
Miss, I guess Aida want to give the answer.
I think this time because in front of me is really shy, we try to guess.
But I really think Aida want to show
I think
the
your answer is correct.
It's okay if you're gonna be teacher thing. Okay, alright.
I think want to share
No.
the answer.
Azam.
Very excited. No lah, my note is messy.
I said before,
I
sometimes
think my answer is
sometimes the great students have a bad, writing skills. I mean, not writing skills, writing, handwriting. Have the problem, right? Sometimes it's not all genius like that. So here, can you see that? Really writing. Alright.
messy.
Five.
So messy. This one is so messy.
I'm so sorry.
Alright, can you see that? When 5, we take it out, has a constant. It's not constant, I take it out. And 1 over 3 minus 2x will be learned like we thought before.
Yeah, why?
Right? Are you guys understand?
Yes.
Alright, now we're gonna proceed. Give it back to him. We're gonna proceed to another equations.
Because the answer given by Azam is correct.
I think it's correct, right?
We don't need to differentiate.
The inside, no need.
No.
I think
You don't play.
This one is another. This is law, right? I thought I teach before is 5 over 3 minus 2x. When 5 is taken out, it's become 1. 1,
Just
right?
Put it on.
Put it on and set. Understand?
Yes.
You maybe cannot accept it right now. I actually also have the feeling like you before, as I am a student before, right? I also cannot accept sometimes this opinion, that opinion, but if it's correct, you accept it, alright?
Alright.
Doesn't matter. Right now, still this integral. Okay, this one. Well, we found out that sometimes it's very like miracle, right? You feel like here, when we differentiate it, we get this bottom there. I mean f prime x, this means we differentiate fx, we get f prime x. So like, wow, why suddenly have these equations? So when we differentiate something that f prime x over fx dx, you simply learn and recopy back fx plus c. Alright? Jot down. This sometimes you cannot solve it, because of you don't remember these equations. Really, you don't miss any marks in your finals, right? SM, before we do some exercises, let me know if you really understand on this, alright? Because this is really important. Jot it down and please memorize it. Number 6. You can learn. If you don't know, you can tell me. I taught you before this in the equations, right? Not that difficult, right?
Yes.
People for those who
memorized the equations formula just now?
Which one?
We memorize.
If you memorize and you did realize, you know how to do it.
Yes.
Yes.
But it come. You did very fast. Alright, it's the answer. Simple, right? When we differentiate 2x, very small your handwriting, right? 2x3 plus 1, we simply get 6x2. So, in the formula I given before, it will get ln to the modulus 2x cubed plus 1 to the modulus plus 6. Simple, right?
Yes.
Are you understand?
Yes.
Understand? Correct?
you understand.
Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Alright.
Correct.
One more questions?
One more.
Two
One
more,
more?
two more.
Two more
Wow.
lah, miss.
Two more.
Miss.
Yeah, 2 more.
My brain cannot accept.
And cross there.
Right, come on.
My brain cannot go.
Okay. So, okay. Now we're gonna learn some things when we has a value on, let's say 1, 0. Alright? E x dx. Do you learn this before?
Yeah.
We learn the EX one.
It just
Yes.
You just simply don't have this number and
Yeah.
this number, right?
Yes.
Correct. So, what is this number? Do someone know what is this number for? The range. In a graph, when EX is have a like, if you need to find like area or volume, you will use it, right? So simply, we learn that integrate EX is become,
Yeah.
why don't have plus C? Because we have a value. Okay, if you done on integrate it, you get EX. Okay, you get EX, you write 1 and 0 at the back, and then we substitute 1 to the X and minus E 0. Okay, press your calculator, what you get?
One.
1.718.
1.72.
1 point
718.
infinite integral. Alright, well, take out your calculator and count it. What is the value?
1.718.
1.718. Excellent. So, here I give you a simple examples because I just want you to understand that when 1 and 0 here or some value at here, simply at the above here is the greater number than this one. Alright. So when you after you integrate, you just minus it and you get the value. Okay? Okay. Now, after I taught you for so long and you totally sleepy right now. So to get you has a boost in your focus, we did Kahoot. Kahoot. So take out your phones.
Alright.
Take out your phone.
Alright.
If you don't have phone, you share with your friends. Alright. It's not all can have a phone, right? Okay. Connect to Wi-Fi. Our Wi-Fi. Connect to to
Miss,
Wi-Fi?
is there any present if we win the
I want
Kahoot?
some.
Sure. Claim after class, alright? Don't claim right now, okay? We don't want other people's like other friends jealous on our effort, right? So
What's the pin? What is the pin?
what is the pin?
Yeah.
Are you done on opening it at Kahoot ID?
Yeah.
One, number 3.
I can share with my friend, miss. Can or not?
Yes, you may. But the present will be divided by 2 and you will lose maybe something. But if your friends is okay with you, then go ahead.
Alright.
I don't have more.
If you don't have Kahoot,
Miss,
if you
how
don't
many
have phone, I have extra phone.
Here question to your secrets when you get it here.
It's okay, it's okay.
Leo, alright. Please, alright. Ada Lawa. Lawa is beauty, right? 1, 2, 3.
2, 3, 8, 3, 6.
2, 5, 3, 2, 8, 3, 6.
That's mine.
8. Alright. Irwan and Mila, alright.
Mila?
Alright, who is it? Who is it my name? It's okay, just keep on. Maybe.
2 more.
Whoa!
Wow.
They want to try playing with me. It's okay.
Extra mark.
Of course, no extra marks, but maybe bring some bucks. Who knows it?
2 more.
Right? 2 more?
Yeah.
No, you share.
Oh, yeah.
Share phones. Share phones, is it?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, so total is 6 players, right?
Yes.
Start.
Yes.
Start.
Start.
Ready.
Are you nervous?
Yes,
No.
because I'm a timer.
Oh. Alright, it's just simple questions, right? Come on.
Yes.
Take your time, take your time. What is it?
Wow.
16, 50 seconds.
Mana?
My phone is
So high
dying.
lah.
Take one for.
My phone is hang.
Just like people say tembak only. Tembak only. Alright, it's easy, simple, right? Okay, the answer is add 1 to power, then divide by new power.
New X.
Next. Wow. Who's used my name? Spring luck lah. Alright, next. Number 2.
To answer.
Just one.
Wow. It
Wow.
so long.
So long.
Why so long?
I think
100 seconds. Easy. Is it true?
1 minute.
I think we can skip it.
I think yes, you recite.
You
All
can
answered?
Another one.
All answered? Another one.
Choose the.
Who is the black sheep? Come on.
Just choose
Oh.
one. Why this?
Alright. Next. Because just now some have DX, some doesn't have.
Yeah.
Do you realize that?
Yeah.
DX is really important also. S plus C as important as plus C. So sometimes you need to alert with term.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Oh, Mila. Come on, Mila. Right, you're heady. Right. Now, simple, right? If I answer at there.
Yay.
Yeah.
Another one. Another answer.
Another answer. Alright.
You.
Perfect.
Congratulations. Right, next. Wow, Young is leads. Mila is back. Right. What? Easy one, easy.
Easy.
Never be so easy.
Nadia. I want a prize.
You want the prize?
Yes, I am.
Claim after class, alright? Who get the wrong answer?
Someone is wrong.
Someone is wrong on it, alright?
Lagging.
Okay, it's maybe you miss it, alright? It's the question is the red one, right? Next, come on.
Ooh.
Relax. Simple, right?
I don't press it, but this phone, the problem is.
You need to find a new
I have
one.
You need buy the new phone, right? Like I and all. Alright, you maybe just simply like it's okay.
I haven't touched it, but the answer
His answer is okay.
Lagging too.
Yeah, lagging.
Same lah.
Okay. Answer is this one, as I told you to jot down before. Okay.
One of the phone must be new.
Wow, yeah, very good. Next,
Second last question.
6. This is the 6 out of 7.
Oh my god, what is this?
The problem is.
Oh, I think this.
Answer.
Oh,
Oh my
where is the
Answer
question?
question.
I think this question has some problems. And to be fair, we all press red one, alright? To be fair.
Oh, red one.
Yeah.
I already pressed the
It's
yellow
okay,
one.
it's okay. I'm sorry with it, but it's okay. I'm sorry with it. So it's fair, right? Because all is.
No, it's not fair. I didn't read it.
No, right. So I'm sorry with it. It's technical problem simply. So I'm sorry with it. But I think it's quite fair because no one is correct.
Yes.
One is right.
So last question, okay? Oh my God, Leo.
Mila, where are you?
Now where are you?
Let me see Mila.
Oh, what? 100 seconds. If you cannot think about it, please think. Alright, it's not that.
You can skip early.
Please,
and
one
then
more answer and it will automatically. Right. Okay? So it's time to let you guys know who is the winner.
Who is Liu ni?
Yay!
Hafiz is Liu.
I'm the third one.
That one's to become Aida Nawa. And she pretty. And second Mila.
Mila, who's Mila?
And the last one is I think it's Leo. Yes.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Azam.
Please.
Oh.
It's Leo, right?
No, I don't have phone.
Who is Leo?
Guy?
No. My name is
Top one.
Mila. Who is
Mary.
I
Congratulations.
Silent.
Silent teacher, right? So don't forget to claim your reward on me. Alright? If you don't claim it, I will give to
Aida.
Mila, alright?
Aida.
The reward will be only available for one day. If you one day don't come and see me and get your reward, we will come to Mila and so on to Aida.
Yes.
Okay. Have fun?
Yes.
So now is stress time.
Stress.
It's a quiz.
Whis.
Oh no!
Yeah, I'm okay. It's a quiz. Not that easy, not that difficult, but some of you can answer it. It's not an individual quiz. It's 4 in a group because you all have 8, right?
Yeah.
So
Two.
we just divide by half, so you can turn around. So 4. Alright. So
Alright.
now pass it to your friends. Do it in the paper. So just one paper will be shown. So concentrate on one paper, and other paper you need to copy it and pass up to me. Okay?
So we
We all need
You can turn around and face to your friends.
turn around and
Okay.
discussion.
Wait.
Let's turn around and discuss this question.
I give you 15 minutes. 15 minutes. No, 10 minutes. 10 minutes is enough. So one just 4. So one people just 1 questions and we will short and done.
Question 1 minute also.
So clever. Superman.
Alright, it's not that difficult, right?
Yes.
I think you have answered it before.
Yes.
Multiply.
This one should be X. This one should be Lord.
Not that difficult. You did it. Not that difficult. Come on.
Wait.
Teamwork is really important, right?
Yeah.
So if your friends don't know how to answer it, please teach him or her. If you need discussion, you do discussion. Don't be so silent.
First one.
I think we're not gonna be discussing because as we need to reach to our recess time, I will mark it and I will give you back after this class, alright? So you done it, you pass up to me and I will mark for you and I will give you back.
Alright.
How about we discuss one question?
Conversion.
Oh, we do.
Only
Discuss one question.
One question, right?
Yeah.
It's okay, but it's because of time matter, so we're not gonna to discuss it because you guys need to make a lot of times on doing on it. So I give you time and you do it excellent, right?
alright. EX.
So take your time. If I have time, I will discuss. If you don't have, you're gonna pass out and I will give you back. I will mark it and I
This
will
one
give you
should
back.
be
The 1. Also 1.
Not that difficult, right?
Yeah.
You have 4 friends in a group.
I don't know. Might have any idea of this.
your accent.
Take your time there.
Might you have.
Plus.
Why so hard to do this?
So some things I need to inform you that your notes after this class, please pass up to Emran and your quiz
Emron.
say,
We got Emron.
and your bingo also because I don't want it to become the rubbish. I can recycle it. Alright. So you give to Emran.
Okay.
Pass up all to Emran.
How to do this?
After this, I will give you back so you can study it at home.
Wait.
I almost finished with my answering.
It's okay.
Wow.
You can take your time.
So clever.
Oh, you.
I know.
You have the calculator, but why you need to
Expand.
Expand first.
We
Then-
should
And then put the brain. Yes.
Oh, sorry. Oh,
Minus the.
My eye feels well like
What
this.
answer you get?
I
Let
don't
the kid there.
I feel like
How to do it? To expand first.
how to expand.
Expand first or what? Or separate?
But I don't know how to expand. Wait. Alright. I get it, bro.
Yeah, I get it.
Like this, you open
Open table.
open the bracket, right? And then you expand it. Yeah, expand.
Alright, it becomes zeros. And
How to do this?
this one should be.
You do that.
0
You
2.
get
Expand
This
first.
is 1.
Where's your expand?
Exponent 0 equal to 1, right?
Why I can't?
1.
I done my answer.
Negative
Wow, so fast.
Then
yay.
negative
Seems
x
like
power 2.
Hey.
It's a quiz, alright?
Yeah.
Negative
quick.
x power 2.
4 times
Wait,
4 times
wait.
4. 32.
X.
No, it's not
The power of
32. 64.
Yes, I'm done with my answer. I get
Yeah.
the final answer.
Wow.
Wow.
This
So fast.
I
this
think
is
you
a
get
solution.
the answer scheme lah.
Oh.
No.
It can be answer scheme, but hopefully in final exam, he score well, alright?
All is well, miss.
Right.
Yes.
I'm praying for you guys, alright, for final exam, okay? It's always in my prayer.
But I'm not well.
I don't know. This become 1. This 1. 0. What? Wow.
How did Kai
That's
do
great.
so
All
fast?
that.
To be, I think you need to expand it before you.
Yeah, I do expand it.
You
That's my
expand
final
and
answer.
you.
Oh, she do the.
He do?
If you wrong on the answer, you just simply cut it and you use another paper
Pen.
to write it.
But my answer is very correct.
Wow. Can I copy your answer?
I think I already discussed, right?
Yes.
If you cannot answer, I really.
Disappointed. This
It's
one
not
should
disappointed.
be.
I'm okay with it, but you need to at least know what I'm teaching.
Should be.
Alright,
Oh,
teacher.
no.
Seems like she's hiding.
This one should be this one.
Which part?
This one. This should be 2 times.
My absence.
Negative 2 times.
Wait.
My phone, my paper is so easy. So what should I do?
So you need use another paper maybe.
Alright. What's your answer?
Do you need another paper?
Yeah, I need one.
Just put
Please.
here. And this one, when you give you 0, in case it's just a pixel. I don't know if you are one of
You cannot be shared with your friends, right? So you can totally just discuss with your another friends, right?
The answer is.
Wow, you're so confident with your answer.
No, I confident my answer.
What you
I
confident?
don't.
Oh.
My answer is.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
You're so good at answering.
Oh.
My answer is very good.
So can I? Alright.
It's really skip.
Oh.
Yeah, my answer.
Still have time?
Wait.
Still have the time, take your time.
Very hard this quiz.
Very hard. I never give simple thing for you.
Oh, you do it.
If I give simple thing for you, you learn what?
Why is it like here?
Very simple.
Finish.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
also
So
clever
smart.
boy.
Then maybe it's wrong.
Maybe. So you recheck your B, please.
Yeah.
Someone.
I'm almost there.
We.
Finish yet?
Ini masih ikut.
Oh, sorry.
I'm done. Thank you. I think like bring the power inside. Then just
Oh, I know what I'm doing.
if you did mistake, you can discuss with your friends.
For this question.
Azam, can I? May I?
Can I borrow first?
How you do that?
Yeah, my answer also correct.
To create this question. So hard.
Oh.
Then can bring 3 front.
Be notice on your point, how you
Oh.
put it in your calculator. It's important because just small mistake you will get wrong answer and no mark for it.
Oh, this is also
What is your answer?
wrong, eh?
The DD.
My answer D is which one?
Your answer D is
Why I
correct.
get negative?
Why you get negative?
Wow.
Wow.
Why you
Yes.
get negative?
Just the answer.
Yes.
Where the
Hey, do you get the
The
answer
one
for
you-
number D?
D, yes. My
How
answer is
you-
very simple.
wow.
How do you get the answer?
You can ask Aida how I do it.
Aida, teach me.
He just wrote the answer without the working set.
Without.
So genius.
Yes.
So now I'm stuck. Azam,
What?
3 minutes left.
So messy.
So be fast.
Correct
Correct answer. I will correct answer.
I think answer one question's answer.
It's okay, you
Does you get the
this
D?
you get the correct answer for it, alright? Because it's important, we'll score it in your marks, okay?
Okay,
In your
teacher.
10 marks. It's go into your marks. It's included in your finals, so it's
3, 12. Gitu kok.
So genius.
Saya pokok baru lah. Pokok jangan ni.
it's okay. If wrong, you just simply cross it and you use another paper.
Ni sikit.
I already do this.
No need.
That's it. If you want to passage, if you done passage, if you have extra paper, please.
Just.
If you have extra paper, please
You can
just
I'm not done yet.
pass this down.
Oh.
So Azam teach me how to do it like this.
This one I want to.
Why my handwriting like?
Can I know the correct answer?
Later, I will be given you back and you will check it back and do correction, right?
Alright. I'm thinking this one.
I not finish yet.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Minus. 1 over.
And then put. Right.
Yeah.
Okay, if you're done, you can pack your stuff.
Alright.
Pass it on to Emran.
I'm right.
Alright. With the notes.
With the notes, with your bingos, with your notes, bingos, and quiz.
Wait.
I'm not done yet.
Bingo. Bingo.
Also with the
I need it because I know you will make it another rubbish, right? So
Yeah.
I left 3.
you love 3, eh?
Cool.
Can I?
That's why I will keep.
Just stapler it properly, give it them run, and you can pack your stuff and ready to go back home.
Yay!
But before go back home, you need to summarize all of it, alright? Pack your stuff.
My
Wait,
parent,
homework.
Wait.
what homework? My parent already wait outside.
Homework will be uploaded in your
WhatsApp
portal,
group.
alright? Will be uploaded and I will give it to you with the answer.
Miss, should we pass up the bingo?
Yes, I said just now I don't want to waste it like as a rubbish, right?
There you go.
Where the stapler? I need the stapler.
Thank you.
Wait, guys,
Oh.
I need to go home too. Because
My mom is already home.
I want to wash my shoes.
My parent waiting me at
It's
outside.
okay. Start to pack your stuff.
Alright.
And pass it to everyone. And you can go back. Wait, I will summarize first, and you can go back, right? It's important in summarizing.
I'm done checking.
Face one. Turn around.
Oh.
And listen to Miss Mila.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Done.
Alright, class. Listen. Okay, class. Sit down and listen. As we done our lesson, I need you to know, if you need to really score in your final exam, you need to really do exercises at home. It's not only at school but at home. So in this summarize, we already discussed about the integral of exponential functions and the integrals of natural logarithmic function. So these two functions is really important and sure will come up in your final exam. So really learn it. So if your friends don't know, you just teach her or him, okay? Don't waste your time on playing some games or something like that. So I hope you really know what I really teach on you and you can study it in future. It's really good subject it is, calculus, alright? So hope you learn something today. Class dismissed.
Yeah. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.